Hey everyone! You know how Minecraft can get a bit choppy when you throw in shaders? Crank up the render distance and add in some hefty world generation mods like Terralith and Tectonic. In this video, I'm going to share the specific mods I use to keep my frames per second nice and steady, even when everything is running at once. Alright, here are the mods I'm using. First, the modpack, Vulkan Optimize. It switches Minecraft to a Vulkan-based renderer, which helps boost FPS, especially in heavy worlds. Now the mods. Beryl adds shader-like lighting using Vulkan, since normal shaders aren't really supported yet. Tectonic overhauls terrain, bigger mountains, cleaner, more realistic shapes. Terralith adds a bunch of new biomes using vanilla blocks, making the world feel more varied. Lithostitched makes world gen mods like Terralith and Tectonic work smoothly together. First-person model lets you see your full body in first person. Do a barrel roll. Improves elytra flying with smoother, more dynamic camera movement. That's the whole setup. Better performance and better world generation.